Oh, y'all, this is just amazing. I just got this in, just got it put together. It's a brand new Blackstone with air fryer, 36 inch. And if you've never seen one of these, you need to watch what I'm fixing to do, because I'm fixing to show you how to get it ready to cook on.
The bayou gives you everything you need, no matter what's cooking or who you're gonna feed. Come along and you will see. Hang up your hat, kick off your boots, pull up a chair, there's a room for you. Tonight you're cooking with the alligator man on the bayou.
All right, y'all, we got this brand new 36 inch Blackstone. Got it ready to go. It's got an air fryer on it. We're fixing to clean it up and we're gonna show y'all how to cook on it. First thing we do is get some water. And what we're doing is getting some of this old oil off of it that it comes from the factory with. We're gonna get it on here. Get it wet. Look at that. It's beating up good. I mean, we're just cleaning off anything that could be in here from packaging, dust, dirt, anything you got. Plus the steam will kill any kind of bacteria, germs, anything that gets on this thing. All right, and once we get this thing good, cleaned off like we're doing here, you're gonna have to let it dry. Let it heat up, don't cut it off. Lift the front in the corner. Let it heat up. Okay, once it gets hot again, I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do. I don't care if you got a 17 inch, 22 inch, or a 36 inch, whatever. This is what you got to do. But I'm gonna take a little bit and I'm gonna get on these tongs. I'm gonna throw it on my griddle. You gotta keep it good, and see how I'm doing? You put it on there, get it good and thin. Just a thin coat's all you want. See how it's smoking up on me? That's good, that's what you want. Yeah, once in a while we're gonna dig over here. We're gonna get a little more out. All right, y'all. Look, we got it happening now. You're gonna notice that it's starting to change colors, and that's what you want. You want it to change colors. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna hold this one a minute and let that smoke off. Don't hurt nothing, let it go. And notice the color change. See it's starting to change color? Let that oil burn off a little bit. Now this might take 10 to 15 minutes to do, but we're gonna let it smoke like this. Let it smoke till the smoke starts slowing down, then we're gonna do it again. You may not be thinking about it, but you've got to do the sides, the edges of these things. So what I do, I get a paper towel, chase my stuff down, do all the sides like this. Really makes a difference. Put a thin coat, because all we're trying to do is make this thing not rust. And the more of this you get on it like this, the better it's gonna be. And make sure you get the outside, y'all. Look, get all around the outside, real good. This side, right here. Thin coat, thin coat. Okay, we got that down. We're gonna go ahead and hit this with the rest of it. Smooth it out on there. And look, we're gonna get a nice black surface on here. No matter what size griddle you got, you need to do this first. Now, your corners might not be as black as the rest of it, but don't worry about it, it'll come with time. And you gotta do this with all your griddles. It don't matter if it's a big one, little one, small one, but do not do bacon. Bacon sounds good, but it don't work. Bacon has salt in it. It's gonna make your griddle rust. We don't want a rusty griddle. But I'm cleaning this up. Y'all seen how it is. Don't take that long to do it, but don't just come cook on it. I see a lot of people that just come cook on their griddles. So the first thing they cook is hamburgers. Okay, for the rest of your life, you're gonna have a round circle. That's a hamburger, unless you strip it down totally. But don't do that. Do this, go through these processes, and don't forget to look us up for more recipes and more ideas. Just watch us. We know what we're doing.
Tonight you're cooking with the alligator man on the bayou.